What is TriposG and what's it for? Well, this incredible new idea just launched. As I'm uploading this video, they've released it to the market. What it does is take an image we provide and generate a 3D model from it. It doesn't just create it, it can also texture it, as you see in this image. Untextured models on the left, textured on the right. So all those headaches we often get from modeling, we won't have to deal with anymore, or at least we'll be able to do it much more easily, right? With this great app, we can generate 3D models from a simple image. As you can see, this is what it can do, what it can generate. Look at all these models it can create with its incredible AI. If you want to know how, we have a video to show you. Let's see how we can create our first 3D model with a simple image in 3SG. We'll do two tests, one with their examples and another with my car photo. So let's take a look at how this program works, shall we? As you can see, we have different photos. Let's pick this one of the man and click generate shape first. It'll generate the image without the background, just the character itself. After this, the program will start generating the 3D model. After a while, as you can see on screen, it's generated that 3D model. As you're seeing now, it's quite similar to the character we chose. It's super well made, though it lacks some details. For a first model, it's incredible. Now the next step is to apply this texture to our model by clicking apply textures. We'll do this with the next image. I've loaded it here, and as you can see, it's already created the first shape. Let's see how it works without program examples to check if it gets a good result or not. Since we haven't used the program, we'll see it now. As we can see, it's created the 3D model. The wheel looks a bit odd because it's detecting the open one. Both wheels are rotated and it's detecting that. It's a pretty good model, very similar to the one I had here. Now we'll use apply textures. If we want to apply textures, we just click it and you'll see it start applying textures to the car it's already generated. Let's see how this process turns out. Oh my god, as you can see, it's applied those textures to the car and it looks like this. It's great for a quick model, for a project or whatever you need. It can help us visualize what we want to create. It's incredible what it can do with just one image in 2 minutes of processing time. So if you want to start using this guide to make your first 3D models, as you can see, this is what it can do, and it's truly amazing. I think this is the beginning of the 3D future. So now you know, here's this incredible program that can generate these models for you. How can we easily use SSG to create 3D models like the one I just made? Well, let's open a Google tab and search for Hugging Face. If you don't know what that is, we have a video on our channel explaining this community. We'll go to Hugging Face and navigate to the Spaces section here. We'll simply search for SSG or AMIA and open this program. As you can see, we just need to create an initial image to use like I did in previous sections and then start using it. If you're unsure how, we have a video tutorial you can watch to understand. Now you know how to use this amazing program that generates 3D models. How can we get TriposG and create 3D models like the one you see on screen? Well, it's quite simple. We're going to go to Hugging Face, alright? This app here, if you don't know what it is, check our channel for a video about it. From here, we'll access TriposG in the Spaces section. Go to TriposG, click this link, and you'll have the entire hub for this program right here. Got it? From here, you can grab this code, download it, and use the program on your own computer. So if you want to use it, this is how you'd go about doing it. Now, you know how to obtain and use this program. All the installation instructions are below. Just follow the steps and you're good to go.